Hello everyone, I do SEO and it have been few years I got introduced to the SEO. This is how I actually get introduced. At that time I used to build website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I completed one project and hosted it on the hosting platform. But guess what? None of the visitor come to my site. And at that time, out of curiosity, I started researching on the Google why none of the visitor is coming to my site, and I find the term SEO. And there is also another interesting story. After knowing that word SEO, what I did, I simply went to the YouTube and searched what is SEO, and I found one course from Umer Tazkeer. It is around 20-hour long video, and I took my diary and pen, play that video on the laptop and sit straight for the 24-hour understanding the concept of SEO, and I still have that diary. This is how I started knowing about SEO. How do you learn about SEO? How do you get introduced to the SEO? Tell me in the comment section.